We start with CO2 and H2O in the atmosphere. Through the process of photosynthesis, the carbon is transferred into plants. Through the process of photosynthesis, the equation changes. Now we have 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen, and 6 oxygen. That's also known as glucose and oxygen. So the plain cars represent 2 oxygen each, the cage cars represent 6 hydrogen each, and the green train car represents 6 of the carbon. And so when it's going through the process, then the 2 different things can happen. The plant can die, or an animal can eat it. If an animal eats the plant, our carbon is now inside the animal. The carbon may be released when the animal breathes it back into the atmosphere, or the animal can die. Carbon re-enters through a process called cellular respiration. We're now back where we started with the CO2 plus H2O in the atmosphere. The first choice if a plant or animal dies is for it to go into the ground and be neglected by different decomposers. If it does that, then it can be turned into fossil fuels. After a long period of time being fossil fuels, the carbon re-enters through the atmosphere through a process of burning the fossil fuels. Choice number 2 when a plant or animal dies is for the body to be decomposed. Our carbon now looks like this: C6, H12, and O6 again. Also through the process of cellular respiration, the carbon is released from the decomposers and put into the atmosphere. We are now back to where we started with CO2 and H2O. This is Nora Wilkie with The Carbon Cycle.